share my screen. So welcome you guys. Good to see you. Again, these class connects we do. I think there's 9 or 10 of them throughout the course, just to make some connections. I understand that everyone has different schedules. I know some people are taking a traditional school schedule and adding this somewhere in the day, and so you might have a class right now. If you can make the connects, that's great. But I understand if you can't, I will record them every time, and every time there'll be a graded assignment with it. So just be aware of that whenever we do it, that is something you need to do. So, sorry, just letting some more people in the room real quickly. And hopefully we got everybody here. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys kind of how, introduction to the course real quickly. So first week we did this intro to marketing. These are all grayed out for you guys, but you're going to see that kind of every week we're going to kind of take a different topic. And there's a mixture, I've included like this is the Jobs movie about Steve Jobs, and this is a documentary. And so there's some projects in there. It's not just reading and kind of doing work. I try to kind of have some variety in what's going on, including this second week here. So in this second week, we're going to learn a software called Photopea, which is basically a free version of Photoshop. And so each day of this week, including today, it says, watch this tutorial and then just take a screenshot of what you did. Day 2 is, again, watch a tutorial, take a screenshot. So there's some tutorials to kind of walk you through the software. And then day 3, again, little tutorial, take a screenshot. Day 4, just work on your project and take a screenshot. And then on day 5, on Friday, the assignment is done. For most of the lessons I have, guys, it's really about 30 minutes tops. So I'm not asking a lot. You're not in a traditional school setting. But I do want you to be engaged every single day and do the work. Like I said, it won't be more than usually 30 minutes each day. So it's just watching a quick video and taking a quick screenshot of it. On Friday, your assignment for Friday is to make a print advertisement using Photopea or any other tool you want. So if you're just like, I tried Photopea, I don't like it. If you're a drawer and you want to draw it out or whatever, or use a different tool, maybe you want to use something else, Google Slides or something to create I don't care as long as you do it. I'd love for you to try Photopea because I think it's a great little tool to use for marketing type stuff. I teach a graphic design class at Lakeville South. I know Lakeville North has them too, but that are really good, where we kind of get into Photoshop and Illustrator. And so a part of marketing is being able to design stuff. And so, having this kind of tool a little bit in the class is pretty good. So you're going to make a new document in Photopea, and then you're going to create a product. So the way I describe it is think about something that's not been invented that you're going to create an advertisement for. So I'd start by thinking about, what are your pet peeves? Some people are like, well, my glasses get fogged up. Well, we've got this thing that cleans your glasses. Or someone says, I always lose my remote. Well, we've got this thing to find your remote. So think about that. Think about something that make the world a better place and design it. And then you need to include this information. What is the product, the place, the price, and the promotion? Okay. So these are some examples of this being done by other students. So again, making this advertisement where you have a product and have some words about it. That's 1. This is 2, Invisispray. So come up with a kind of a product name and then kind of make an advertisement. So those are examples that were done in previous classes, and that will be due on Friday. So you're going to kind of be learning the software over the next couple of days and then kind of thinking about that and building it. Again, it shouldn't take you longer than a couple of days of 30 minutes to kind of jam something out. Can I get a thumbs up from you guys in the class just so that makes sense for the week? Okay, looks like we're good. Good. Okay, so I want to show you real fast, as long as I got you guys. So this is photopea.com, and I can just go File, New, and I can just make a new canvas here, create a new canvas. And so on this canvas, all these tools right here, if you hold your mouse over it, it'll tell you what it is. There's the Move tool. So like here's the Paintbrush tool, and I can just draw and paint. You can bring in images. You can use the text tool to write text. It's pretty, I think, intuitive, as far as like being able to do it. But what I would tell you is that it's web-based. So it doesn't save anything on this. It's just a web page. So if I close down this web page, it goes away. So make sure that if you're working on it over multiple days, that you're saving as a PSD file, okay, or exporting it out. A PSD file is a Photoshop file. It has all the layers and stuff in Photoshop. So that's what I would save it as while you're working on it. And then I'd export it out as either a PNG or a JPEG when you turn it in on Friday. So you're going to export it out as one of these two files and just attach it in Schoology and submit it for your assignment. So if you can finish it in a day, that's great. But if you're going to work on it in multiple days, save it as a PSD and then export it out as a PNG or a JPEG. Okay, so that's real fast. Again, there's lessons today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. Like I think the lessons are like 10, 15 minutes long. Then it asks you just, do what you did in the lesson and just take a screenshot. That's your assignment for today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. Thursday is to start building your project and work on that for 30 minutes. You might finish it. And then Friday is to actually turn in the advertisement itself. Okay. Advertisement is something that you're going to invent, something that's going to make the world a better place, and then build a product, a name, kind of a design of that. So you're making a print advertisement this week using Photopea or something else. Again, one more time, thumbs up. You guys got it? Good? Okay, awesome. So your assignment for today, this is what you're going to submit for an assignment in Schoology. So these class connects are always in this folder. Okay, so whether you're watching this live or watching this later, so here's your class connect. It says, if you missed the lesson, I'm going to post this link here in a second when I get done recording this. It says, watch the class connect and answer the questions for your assignment. So you're going to go and hit submit your assignment in here. And the questions I'm asking, number one is, what do you think you want to do for a product? So think about something you want to invent. That's question number one. So just write that down as an answer. And number two is, do you think you'll use Photopea or do you want to draw it? Or just, I'm kind of curious what you're thinking about using for, to be able to build your assignment. So what is the product you're going to invent? And then what are you going to do to build it by Friday's assignment? So write down those two things and submit it. Don't put it in the comments. Put it as an actual submission as an assignment. You go to submit and it creates and type it out and then submit it. Give me one more thumbs up. So I know you guys are with me. Awesome, you guys. All right, these are always going to last about 10 minutes or less. So that's all I got for you. Again, you're working on this Photopea this week. If you have questions, ask me. Again, have fun with it. The idea is do something a little different. So have fun learning the software and being creative and building your print advertisement. And we'll kind of move on from there. So good to meet you guys. Good to see you. Have a great week. We'll talk to you later.